how to sign into your account on Samsung Smart TV. Now, once you are here on the main home page, at the top left corner, you can see your profile. From here, go ahead and tap on the plus button. Now, from here, you can use QR code, scan it, and sign into your account, or you can select the option of email address. So for now, let's choose on this option. Now, let's start by entering our email. Now, as I have entered my credentials here, you can also choose the option of Forgot Password. So, if you tap on Forgot Password, you would be able to recover your Samsung account so that you could log in next time on your Samsung Smart TV. After this, all you would have to do is select on the option of Sign In. Now, after this, just tap on Done. So, after this, you would come to this page. You can register your device to get the most out of customer service and to hear about promotions and special offers. You can choose on this option of Register my product using the device's serial number, and you can see the serial number given. But for now, I'm going to select Skip. And with that, you will successfully be able to sign in to your account on Samsung Smart TV. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.